Hi everyone, Happy New Year and welcome back to our second term of the 2020 winter school year. I'm just here to tell you about the Beyond the Plate competition that we'll be hosting in residence in the next upcoming month. As part of this competition, we want to hear about some of your favorite plant-based recipes. To enter, you just need to submit a video that's ideally less than 2 minutes in length that students can follow along and use as a reference for a plant-based, so no animal or meat products, recipe. These recipes should be student-friendly, so we're looking for quick, simple, easy-to-prepare recipes that don't cost a whole lot to make. Videos can be submitted by Qualtrics, and the deadline to submit is February 24th, 2021, which is the Wednesday just after reading break. An example of a recipe you can include might be one for overnight oats, where you would talk about the ingredients required in their amounts, such as half a cup of oats, a third of a cup of soy milk, 1 banana, and a tablespoon of chia seeds. Then, you would describe the preparation method of the recipe while either filming yourself making the recipe or by providing an animation. In this case, just place all ingredients in a mason jar and refrigerate overnight. Just a reminder that the deadline to submit is Wednesday, February 24th, 2021. We've got multiple prizes for multiple winners this year, with the total prize money worth $1,000, so we encourage you all to submit and share. Select videos may get a special shout out on UBC Foodies' social media channels. And lastly, when submitting, we encourage you all to include closed captions for our viewers if possible.